to close the bag, and then you're going to mush it all around. And it'll take a little bit of time. So I have one that I actually already did. So then once it comes together, it's gonna look like this. So I didn't put too much in, so you can see it's kind of like a lighter green color. And then what you're going to do is you're gonna push it all towards the bottom of the bag and cut a little hole at the bottom with some just scissors. And then you can draw whatever you would like. So what I did is I drew YL. And then once it sits there for a little bit and it dries, it actually you can pick it up. This needs to dry a little bit longer, but you can do it. You can put as much in the bag as you would like, the different colors to make it darker or lighter. It's super fun, it's easy, and it barely any cleanup. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, and next week I'll try and do another arts and crafts that is easy with the materials around your house. Okay, bye.